Hey everybody, Rusty reporting in from the 1st St. Mark's BPSA Otter Scout Troop, and today we are going to do another episode of DIY with Rusty. So today I'm going to show you how to put together a bird nest material holder for birds to come and build nests in your backyard. All I'm going to use today is a whisk, a piece of string, and some things I found around my backyard. So let's get started. What I've got for nesting material is some dried up leaves, some twigs, some dried up grass, and of course, some nice dog hair. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place these materials inside the whisk, and these little openings in the whisk just allows the birds to reach in, grab what they'd like, and take it over to some trees to start putting a nest together. Things you don't want to put in here are dryer lint, human hair. Animal hair is okay, but human hair is not okay. The fibers in human hair is actually much smaller, so it can actually choke birds, or they can get their little legs wrapped up and caught in it. And once you feel like you have enough material in here, you can take the string, just wrap it up here, and then you can tie it up onto a branch. And then hopefully you'll have some birds coming around and building nests in your backyard with the materials that you've laid out. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you make these nest holders, I'd love to see some pictures or some videos. And until next time, Rusty out.